The moving averages crossed over here, they crossed here, here again. You see these three crosses very close to each other. That indicates that there is no trend on the 4 hour as well. So when there's no trend, you want to watch your trades to make sure that the momentum is following through. So what does all that mean? Well, if you're going long at 96.74 here, and this, is, by the way, is just above this high. The reason why I'm going above the high is I want to see some momentum as the market is pushing through. What you want to do is focus on your 15-minute bar if you're in a trade like that. And when you see, if you see this type of pattern where, say, the market breaks through your entry point, closes above it on a 15-minute bar, and then immediately comes right back down, this is a sign that there is no momentum or low momentum, and you want to get out and observe that trade. Same thing goes for this type of setup where you see the market, let's say it breaks through here, you get into a trade, closes up, but then really goes nowhere for an hour or more. That's another sign that momentum is dying off, and at the very least, if you're profitable, take less risk, bring your stop up if you can to break even. If not, you're going to want to take a look at where the prior support area is, take it up to just that point, and then make sure that you see some follow through. The important thing here is to remember that the goal is to take a very fast-moving momentum trade, not get into a long-term position trade on a large position. I am looking at the possibility of a short position. If we get a break below 9,600, I think we'll have an opportunity to take a trade. Normally, this is what I call the double aught trade. I don't know if I'm spelling that right, but anyway, it's coming into these double zero numbers. Normally, I'd like to go short at 1.9615. We're already at that range, so I would like to take a look at 9,600, 1.9600 for a short trade. Whoops, did the R and the T together? There we go. Short. 1.960, this is something where I want to, again, watch it. We're going to watch for the 15-minute to close below 9,600 and then trade below the low of that. The bar that crosses over, 35 pip stop. Again, this is going to put a stop right in the middle of this mess. But I think it'll again be a case where we should see strong momentum to the downside. This thing should not mess around here. We should see this thing break down, and I think get a fast move right back down here to support, which is about 94.50. So a possible rather large move coming up for that.